The first phrase is hurt a fly. Okay, how can you use this phrase and where can you use and how can you describe this phrase? There are some people, they are very strong and determined. You might have seen people, they often go to gym and they maintain their body and they are very brave and bold, and you're so scared looking at their appearance, right? So in such cases, you may think that they are very hard, rough and tough person, so it is very difficult to handle. But you can find the inward mind is so soft and they are very genuine. They never hurt even fly. So in such cases, you can use the sentence, he would not even hurt a fly. So this is the exact meaning of this phrase. Let me get into the next phrase, that is a fantastic one. You chickened out. So this is a very beautiful phrase. Where can you use this? Let me give you a situation. If you find your friend wants to climb the mountain, actually he's in panic situation and he's afraid to climb the mountain at the last moment. So if you find such kind of person with that crucial situation, you can make use of this sentence, you chickened out. I mean, when you even though you try to climb the mountain, at the last moment you did not dare to climb, you did not dare to do that. Okay, so try to use this, you chickened out. The next phrase, pig-headed. See, pig is a noun and also it is also one of the animals and no one likes this animal. Pig-headed, what is the meaning of this exact phrase? You can use this pig-headed only for the people who are very stubborn. So pig-headed person, you are a pig-headed person. You can make use of this phrase for only for the people those who are very stubborn. And the fourth one, to eat too much. See, you can find many people, they often eat too much. So in such cases, you can make use of this sentence, he's really picking out on the meal. If you find someone who is in hurry to eat everything very immediately, you can just make a sentence out of this phrase. And the next phrase is waiting for you. The next phrase is the elephant in the room. Yes. So actually, if you find some problem is going there, or if a terrorist crossed your place and had created some bad impact among the people, in such cases, if police came to the spot to investigate everyone, if no one came forward to tell or reveal the reason. So in such cases, you can make use of this phrase, the elephant in the room. Yes, so because of the threaten, no one opened their mouth. That is the exact meaning of this phrase. Okay, the sixth phrase is cows came home or cows come home. So what is the exact meaning of this? Actually, there are many people, they love to do some work continuously, consistently, forever. Yes, have you ever found such kind of people in your life? Yes, absolutely. Here is a person, he likes to work till cows come home. Till cows come home. So this is the exact meaning. A person likes to work forever. So this is the exact meaning. Till cows come home, he likes to work consistently. So the next phrase, don't poke the bear. So don't interfere, don't disturb anyone. Don't interfere in others' problems. So that is the exact meaning of this phrase. Don't poke the bear. And the familiar small animal is a rat. No one likes rat. Yes. So many of them they have the allergy to see rats in their houses. So this is exact meaning of this particular phrase. To smell a rat. I smell a rat. So what is the meaning of this sentence? If you feel doubted towards something, if you suspect something, if you're so suspicious towards something, some problem, you can make use of this phrase, to smell a rat. Yes, so this is the phrase where you can use the phrase with the animal rat. Okay, The next animal is cat. Don't let the cat out of the bag. So what is the exact meaning of this? You might be planning a very beautiful surprise for your friends. So in such cases, you may not be willing to reveal the surprise before that. So surprise is like that, right? So you cannot reveal anything before the surprise. Yes, exactly. So whenever you want to make others to feel very happy about your surprise, if you want to make it as a surprise, if you want to maintain that secret, you can make use of this phrase, don't let the cat out of the bag. Sorry. So this is a very beautiful phrase, and the last phrase is stop horsing around. Horse is an animal, so here you can use this horsing for certain situations. See, if you find some children, playing in a crazy way, foolishly, and like shouting and screaming and disturbing the environment, in such cases you can use this phrase, stop horsing around, stop running around. So you might have used, in certain situations, like people, students shouting like anything. Whenever you find some people are writing examination, you can find some children shouting, screaming, and doing some irritating things. So in such cases, you can make use of the stop horsing around. I hope you have enjoyed all these 10 phrases and you will use all these phrases in your day-to-day life. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Take care.